What's up guys, and hope you're having a good day so far. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be on GAN stock. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up button. That said, let's get into it. GAN Limited is a software as a service solutions for online gambling and online sports betting applications. And just for full disclosure, I did own GAN Limited stock. I don't anymore. I bought at around $20 a share and sold around $26 a share. At the time, it felt frothy, so I did go ahead and take the profit. I am considering repurchasing shares because of earnings coming up later this week. And maybe under the comments section, you guys can let me know your thoughts on whether you think that's a good idea or not. So a little bit more about GAN Limited. They have 15 simulated gaming partners globally. They help partners integrate players both online and offline, and they have an in-house marketing agency to help with strategy and execution. GAN Limited puts most of their effort into their game stack, which is their gaming ecosystem platform. It includes simulated iGaming, real money iGaming, and online sports betting. And when you add in the proprietary management tools, iSight and iBridge, you really have the full package with GAN Limited, in my opinion. They include the real-time analytics, player communications, content control, and website management. And looking into GAN Limited a little bit further, I noticed that the shares held by insiders and the shares held by institutions are a fair amount. And to me, that says that they have skin in the game. So if things go south for GAN Limited, they're not going to cut and run. And that to me is extremely important. And something else that caught my eye was their positive cash flow of $3.3 million. And for me, when I'm thinking about buying back into this company, that's probably the single most important thing for me. So having a positive cash flow allows you to do things like reduce debt, make acquisitions, and add shareholder value. And a couple other statistics that jumped out at me. In the middle, you had the relatively small market cap, especially compared to other companies like Penn National and DraftKings, which already have a much higher market cap. On the bottom right, you have the earnings and the revenue going up. And as long as they can handle that rapid expansion, which we'll talk about in a second, that's a really good thing. You have analysts upgrading the stock with upwards estimates, which I do like. And top left, we do need to note that they did miss earnings last quarter by 3 cents. So just something to keep in the back of our mind with earnings approaching in the next couple days. And then bottom left, we have the equity to debt ratio, which isn't ideal, but assuming that it's still a relatively new company, the IPO was just back in May, and I believe that they do have plenty of time to improve on that ratio. And many of you may already know that GAN Limited launched the real money internet gambling in Pennsylvania for Cordish yesterday. That news broke. But to me, when I read that they launched it only 72 hours after the agreement, that was very important for me. So in my opinion, as some companies fail as they can't handle the rapid growth, it tells me that GAN may be able to handle the additional costs and infrastructure required for that rapid expansion. So that to me was a huge positive. And so overall, I'm very bullish on GAN Limited. And as you know, I don't currently own shares. And I would love to hear what you guys think. Should I buy some more shares before earnings? Or do you think that I should capitalize on the volatility possibly? Or will it be too late? Will this share price just rocket higher after earnings later this week? So I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Please leave a message in the comments section. That'd be greatly appreciated. And that said, this is the end of the video. And if you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up button. And that said, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.